Put them in right here.
Well, I did it.
Pull it out with your hand now.
Well done. Oh, I did it.
Good job.
Oh, wait. I did it.
You did it.
Oh,
It's really good.
you can't help.
I don't have gloves. You're right.
Oh, Dad, get it. Get it. It's under the car.
I'll get it.
Come on, get up. We did it.
Did it.
We broke the car.
We broke the car.
Wow, we broke the car.
Look at that. Why did you do that?
Because we were going to put a different bumper in.
You are.
What the heck?
One day you'll figure this out. When you do, you will change the world.
Nah, the hose. Yep. There's a stock intake.
What is that?
My heat gun.
It's the back. This is the back.
No, I know that's bad.
Ta-da! You did it. Those fucking waves, bro. Everything's gonna be kind of loose while we're fitting stuff with light. Yep. See? I think that's what we're looking at. Bro. Iron fist. Right, so tell us why you went with red instead of black. So we ordered black, and the silicone connectors on the black will not fit. They're too small, so we're gonna go ahead and just go with red. Brown. So now the air sensor wire won't reach because it's connect here and then it's too short to connect this way. I cut the loom back and moved some tape back, and now I have the slack for this to connect. So there we go.
And one day you'll figure this out. And when you do, you will change the world.
Money. Yo. Oh, look. Stylish, bro. True.
really need all of this?
I think they get the
Pull it
idea.
off. Yeah.
Are you laughing?
It's funny.
Oh wow, all that stuff was got in my eye. That's insane. Hey, let me do it so it
Is
looks
it?
like- Yo.
Is it spinning the?
Oh, bro. You should charge it.
I went to get another wrench and
One day you'll figure this out.
oh, I
When you do,
There's no.
just pull the bolt.
we'll
Pull
change
it.
the world.
Man.
See?
That's weird. There's no.
Yeah.
Here?
Yep, that's what we're gonna change out. Yep, take it. Lift the front piece out. That's all we need. We gotta get that out. Yep. Oh, yeah, separate it? Separate what? Oh. And then you ready? I think so.
This was 3D. How?
Dude, no, put that up on it. There you go. No, it's good, it's good, it's good.
But one day you'll figure this out. And when you do, you will change the world.
I didn't measure it before. Should have measured.
Like an inch shorter, I'd say.